how to create QR code for Google Form. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Forms on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, go ahead and create a new Google form or open the existing Google form from where you want to create a QR code. Now, once opened, make any required changes and then tap on the send button you see there, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the link option and then tap on the shorten URL checkbox you see there. Further, go ahead and copy the link there, and now open a new tab and then open Canva in there. And further, from the left side toolbar, tap on the apps option, and in the search bar, search for QR code generator and then tap on the QR code option. Now, tap on the open button and when prompted, paste the link that you copied earlier and then tap on the generate code button. And with this, the code will be generated. Now tap on the share button and under the file type drop down, make sure to select PNG option for best complex images and illustrations, and finally tap on the download button, and with this, the code will be generated and downloaded. So this is how you can create QR code for Google Form. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.